Hi everyone! Today, this is our last lesson in our percents unit, and we are looking at finding the amount of time when we're using an interest rate. Today we're still using that exact same formula. So, interest equals our principal. By now you know that's what we've deposited. The rate, which is an interest rate, a percentage, and the time. Today, we will be given I, P, and R. Our job is to look for the time. So we're going to continue to use this formula and substitute, solve just like we did for R, yes, in our last lesson. However, instead, we're looking for T. So the amount of time, no longer the rate because we've already done the rate. So they'll give us the other things, we just have to solve for them. So our first example. All right, so in our example today, we are looking at time. It says that a bank offers 3 different savings accounts. The simple annual interest rate is determined by the principal. So how much money you deposit. How long does it take an account with a principal of $800 to earn $100 in interest? So we're going to look for our interest rate of 2.0%. So let's write out our question. Let's see here. How long does it take an account with for an account to earn $100 in interest when you deposit $800 at a rate of 2%. All right, so let's go ahead and highlight the different parts of this question and figure out what goes where. So we're depositing $800. That's our initial deposit. Our principal is $800. We want to earn $100. So we want them to pay us $100. So our interest is going to be $100. Our rate is 2%, but we know we have to turn this percentage into a decimal. So 0.02. And then we are solving for T. We don't know how long it's taking. So we're going to solve by combining things that are the same and isolating for the variable. So let's start on this side of our equation. We have 800 times 0.02, or 2%. So let's grab this and we're going to solve 800 times 0.02, and that gives us 16. So 16 times the time equals 100. Again, we want to isolate for T, so we're going to divide by 16 on both sides to keep it balanced. 100 divided by 16 is equal to 6.25 is our time. Now, this means that it's going to take 6 years and 0.25 in months, right? So 6.25 years, or a quarter of the year. So 6 1/4 years to solve, or to earn $100. All right, let's go ahead and go on to example number 2. So example number 2, where are you? Okay. It says we are depositing $400. We earn $36 in interest. So example B. How long to earn $36 in interest at 1.5% with a $400 deposit. So how much money are we going to earn? So I'm going to scoot this up so that we can see, and then we will go from there. So we are going to, again, go through, use that same exact formula. So we want to earn $36. So it's the money earned. This is our I. So money earned, it's $36. Our interest rate is 1.5%. So if we have 1.5, we're going to move our decimal 1, 2, and get 0.015. That is our rate. And then our deposit of $400. And we're still solving for how long or the time. All right, so now we're going to combine the things that are the same so that we can solve for t. We're going to spill the tea. All right, 400 times 0.015, and that gives us 6. 6 times t, and that equals 36. So divide by 6, time equals 6 years. So our time is 6 years. All right, it is your turn now for some try-its. So let's go ahead and give you a try-it. Felt like my pages stuck together. All right, try-it number 1. Here, try-it number 1 says that we want to know how long does it take an account with a principal of $10,000. So it tells you you have a principal of $10,000. That's the biggest money we've worked with yet. $10,000. We want to earn, we want to earn $750 in interest at 3% interest rate. Okay, so that's try-it number 1. Try-it number 2 says that you deposit $650 into a bank account. How long does the account with an annual interest rate of 5% take to earn $178.25? So try-it number 2. Deposit $650. How long at a rate of 5% to earn $178.25. It's so specific on that one. Okay, go ahead and hit pause right now so you don't hear me solving, and then when you're ready, you can come on back and check your work. All right, so this one already tells us P is 10,000. So we get $10,000 times our rate. Our rate is boom, boom, 3%, 0.03. Time, we don't know the time. And we want to earn $750. So we're going to solve for t by combining 10,000 and 0.03. So use your handy dandy calculator. 10 times 0.03, and that gives us 300 times t. Again, solving by isolating that variable, 300 divide by 300, and time equals 750 divided by 300. That gives us a grand total of 2.5 years. So 2.5 years to earn $750. All right, now we're ready to look at number 2. So on number 2, we have an earning of $178.25. We are depositing $650. We have a rate of 5%. So we're going to multiply that by 0.05. And again, we're still looking for t. So go ahead now and multiply 650 times 0.05, and that's so we can isolate this variable of t. That gives us 32.5 t. Divide by 32.5. Divide by 32.5. That gives us t equals $178.25 divided by 32.5, and that gives us, oh my goodness, that is quite the time frame there, right? So because this one is decimals, we are going to round, and it's in time. We don't want to use a 0.48 of a month, right? So we're just going to go ahead and round up and say about, well, let's go ahead and put this 5.48. Because it's time, we're going to say about 5.5 years. That's how long. Roughly 5.5 years. Okay. All right. Go ahead and answer your essential question. How do we find the amount of time when we're working with interest problems? So how do you find the amount of time when we're working with interest problems? And then put your level of understanding out to the side. How are you feeling about this? When you're finished, you can come on back to the Google Meet and ask for help, or you may go and do your practice work. As always, I appreciate all of your hard work and effort, and make it a great day.